So the first thing that we do here is to switch the power off on the front of the boiler, just like so. And then turn off the water supply via the green handle shut-off valve. It's then at this point that we allow at least 4 hours for the water in the tank to cool down before we go on to the next step. So we're going to press the red button just to release any excess pressure that's built up, and then going to unscrew the sump. Again, just be careful, a bit of residue water and stuff coming out, but again, it's nothing to worry about. What we can then do is just to place, what I like to do is just to place a filter cartridge in the sink so you don't have water running all over your worktop. Pour out the excess water out of the filter sump. Pour the full contents of the bottle all the way into the filter housing. Screw the sump back into position. So to secure the sump into position, and then to gently tighten the filter sump up. What we're going to do now, guys, is just turn on the water supply via our green handle shut-off valve, and what that does is the water comes in and it pushes the cleaner out of the filter system into the water boiler, which breaks down the blockage. So we're going to push the button down, activate the boiling water side, and as you can see, we've got a nice flow of water coming through. We like to allow this to run for a further 30 seconds. Turn on the power to the water boiler. When the lower light on the bottom of the tank turns green, that indicates the heating process is complete. We're going to activate the boiling water side of the tap. And again, at this point, if there's any smells or anything like that coming from the tap, again, it's nothing to worry about. It's just a cleaning solution exhausting from the product. We allow this flow of boiling water to run for 10 minutes. Again, we're going to allow this to run for 10 minutes. Release any excess pressure just by pressing the little red button. Again, if you get a little bit of water and air come out, it's not a problem, it's nothing to worry about. Then unscrew the sump. Pour the excess water into the sink. Pop your filter cartridge back into the housing. Push your place. Screw your sump back into position. Gently tighten. Turn the water back onto the tap. Switch on the power. Need to allow 20 minutes for the heating cycle to be complete. At that point, your deep clean is done. You can then go off and enjoy a nice cup of tea.